Yun. Oh, hi ka. Hi.
Hi!
Oh, mag-unbox tayo ngayon ng Barena. Ayan, binili ko.
Guess this one. Do you know what animal that is?
Yun.
Damon Washington.
Nabili ko lang to sa halagang 790 pesos.
7 months old.
Ayan, bubuksan natin.
He has a cough.
Buktan? Ano ba?
Yan. Hi ka muna sa kanila.
Buktan na lang.
Hi po, sabi niya.
Hey,
Ay
Damon.
po.
Okay.
Uy.
Check out. Be right back, Damon. Hey, first, we need to
Uy.
get this table
Ang ganda.
nice and comfy for Damon. Put this on right here.
Makita. Oh, tapon.
Here we go.
Pupatun.
Okay, how are
Ganun.
Okay, ito na.
Tower.
And let's do
Oh,
2
Makita.
green apples.
Makita Corporation, made in Japan.
Ano Japan?
Hindi natin alam kung original ba to, pero pang ano lang naman eh. Light work lang naman eh. Kaya pwede na.
They fell on the ground. Okay, let's put them in the blender.
Ayun,
1 apple in the blender.
ayan.
And let's do
Barena
a
tsaka
strawberry
ano
in
na
the
siya.
blender.
Wrench. Ayun o, kompleto na siya. May mga ganito na.
Okay.
Pang socket wrench.
Alright, now it's all
Mga
blended
ganito.
up. I need to grab a cup. Okay, here we go.
Ano naman to?
Pour in the cup.
May ganito pa.
Yum!
Pang ano.
Okay, here's 1 cup
Mahaba yung ano.
of some.
Ito ang gagamitin. Ano ba
Now,
to?
let's make some
Naman
juice.
natin.
Let's come over to this
Dapat.
juicer. And then, let's put
Natatunan
right in
mo.
there the yellow
Siguro pang
lemon,
ano lang to, extension.
green apple,
Pagka malayo yung ano,
put the lid on,
talaga dito yung ano.
and here we go!
Tapos ito, may mga ganito na siya. Kompleto na siya.
Alright,
Meron na siyang mga bala.
yum!
May manual.
Naman?
So healthy and tasty! Good job!
Kita ko.
All this playing and learning is making me hungry! Let's go shopping!
Parang
Grab
may
one of these
kulang.
baskets.
Yan, dami ng bala.
Look at this place. This
May
is a
adapter.
grocery store. And the goal today
Yan,
is to
ito yung
find some
dulo.
nice, healthy food. So,
May dalawang
here. Oh, hey, look.
lithium-ion battery.
Wow. A potato. A potato is a vegetable. Is that healthy?
Dalawa na, kaya maganda.
Healthy.
Habang ginagamit mo yung isa, iti-charge mo yung isa.
Vegetables are healthy.
Ano to, sa battery ba
Put
to?
it in the basket. Let's see, what else do we have?
Tapos, syempre,
Some broccoli.
yung barena mismo.
Yeah, broccoli is a vegetable. Vegetables are healthy.
Oh, maliit lang siya.
And orange. Oranges are the color of
Matagal ko
orange.
nang gustong bumili ng ganito eh. Kaso,
Are fruit. And
hindi
fruit
makabili-bili.
are healthy. Let's put it right there. Okay.
Ito, sasalpak yung battery.
Another fruit
Battery?
is healthy.
Battery.
Alright, let's see what else we can find. Hello?
Ayaw.
Okay, what's in this
Ay,
aisle?
ayaw.
Ayaw.
So we have some vanilla
Oh, yeah.
frosting.
Matagal.
And we have,
Ayaw.
right up here,
Tignan natin kung ano kulang
we
niya.
have
Ilang?
some bran flakes.
Ilang?
One of these is healthy.
Sa maingay ang ingay mo eh.
Yeah, bran flakes are healthy.
Ay,
Let's put the bran flakes in there.
problema.
Let's put the vanilla frosting back.
Ilang?
Okay, let's try another one. Let's see. Oh, we have some
Hindi nakapasok.
oatmeal. And we have... Oh,
Yun, kailangan pala pindutin to.
cola.
Ayan.
Is cola soda pop?
Kasi yung sa vacuum ko, hindi ko na pinipindot to pag isang salpak ko. Pag tinatanggal lang pinipindot to. Pero dito, mahirap siya ipasok, kaya pindutin.
Oatmeal is healthy.
Yan,
Let's put it in our
tingnan
basket.
natin.
Good job. Okay,
May ilaw na rin siya.
more items to pick.
Para pag gabi,
Let's see. We have
lobat
milk.
agad
Oh,
Palitan natin.
whipped
Yung isang
cream.
battery, lagay natin.
Which one of these is healthy? Yeah,
Ayaw.
that's pretty healthy. Whipped
Mama.
cream.
Lobat yata
Lots of sugar. Not so healthy. Let's put that back. And let's move on.
Lobat, kailangan i-charge muna. Charge muna natin.
Another aisle.
Men, testing natin kung maandar ba.
That was
Yan.
so much fun
Ayun o.
learning about airplanes with you. Museum of Flight
Yan,
in
ayos.
Seattle, Washington. Do you
So,
like
pagka-reverse,
Yeah, I do too. They're
Ah.
so cool how high they fly in the sky. Now there's smaller planes and bigger planes.
ayos. Oh, umiilaw pa. Oh.
This is the end of this video. But if you want to watch more of my videos, all
Lobat
you
lang,
have to
kaya
do
hindi
is
gumana.
subscribe.
Ayan. Malakas din, oh.
Will you spell my name with me? B-L-I.
Ay.
Flippy. Good job. All right. See you again. Bye-bye.
Ito ako nagpalas yan.
Baby bus. Click here to subscribe.
Okay.
Tingnan.